I am a dancer. Hello, my friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. I am a dancer. I don't dance because I want to. I dance because I need to. I tell a story by the movements of my body. I dance because I get this amazing feeling through movement of my arms and the beat of the music. I dance because, it makes me happy. It makes me feel good about myself. I am an artist, an athlete, a dreamer. I am a dancer. Dance is like dreaming with your feet. And I dance to live. I dance to breathe. I dance to be free. I dance to be me. I want to tell you something really special. Dance doesn't call every person. You have heard the call of the wild, something beyond your usual horizons is calling you. Dance doesn't call every person. So if it knocks on your door, it means I believe. It is trying to give you a gift, special gift, uniquely suitable to you. So open your heart. Yeah, open your heart to the power that is you. Okay, so I am a dancer. Yeah. Dear unique, if you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Thank you, and always remember that you cannot take someone else's place, and no one can take your place. Okay? Focus on yourself. Love you. Bye.